Hello, hope you are doing well, my friend. This is Nnamdi, and I have a quick word for you. Nobody stumbles into success. No one stumbles into greatness. Greatness requires work. It's a function of deliberate actions taken step by step, consistently over a long period of time. You can have, we see these people that pop out and then they're like one hit wonders. They're, they do one thing and then they fizzle out, right? Real greatness is a function of consistency. It's consistent steps over time. Check every great story. Like Tony Robbins said, success leaves clues. Look at their stories, look at their journey. You'll see that it's been a long path of consistently doing the same thing, striving for excellence, diligently pursuing greatness, and today it's manifest. So if you want to see greatness, then be consistent. All right, talk to you soon. God bless you.